In just the past few years, AI images have gone from this to this and now this. And it's all thanks to a brand new model called Flux AI, which stands out for its ability to create hyper-realistic images and include actually legible text, unlike any of the other AI models of the past. The only problem with most of these image generators is that they're behind a pretty hefty paywall. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to take advantage of Flux AI 100% for free. If you appreciate content like this, all I ask is that you smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We create videos every week just like this, and your support helps us reach other entrepreneurs and business owners looking to market their businesses. Now let's get into the video. So if we head over to blackforestlabs.ai, you'll be met with this simplistic web page displaying some information about Flux AI and its parent company, Black Forest Labs. Let's scroll down until we see this. These are some examples of what this AI can create, and this stuff is honestly just incredible. I mean, look at the photo of this bedroom with this giant circular doorway to the forest outside. It looks so real and just so beautiful that it makes you want to stop and look at all the intricate details in the photo. Or there's this picture of the TV screen and the chalkboard with the perfect text. And no, the text in these images was not added in Photoshop. This was all created simply with just a text prompt. The last example I want to show you is the detail on the human hands. They just nail the realism here, which seems like such a simple thing, but if you look closely at many of the other image generators, they have such a hard time getting the correct number of fingers, arms, or legs. And everything else in this photo just looks completely lifelike. Personally, if I saw this photo while scrolling through a social media feed, there's no way I would have been able to tell that this was actually an AI image. And that's exactly what you want. You want to be able to use these images to create content that helps you tell a story for your audience. The more lifelike and beautiful it is, the more it adds value to your story. If it's obviously an AI image, then it's going to distract viewers from your message and it's more likely to get lost. For example of how to use this, the thumbnail for this very video was created using Flux AI. If you're here, then that means the image was compelling enough to get you to click. You can use it the same way for your business too. So if we keep scrolling down on the website, you'll eventually see these three different options here. Flux Pro is their highest end and best quality model. Dev is their middle tier, and Chanel is their lowest, fastest, but also cheapest model. And to a normal person, you would probably think to click on the big round button here that says use flux.1, but this is sort of a dead end unless you want to integrate their API into one of your products. To use it for free, there are a few different options. The first option is called Night Cafe Studio. They have a freemium approach where you can use Flux AI Pro and many other AI models, and you get a small number of allocated credits per day to use the AI. But fair warning, you do run out of credits pretty quickly per day. One thing I do like about this tool is that they do have an image upscaler built in, which is how I was able to take the thumbnail image from this originally to this. I recommend getting your toes wet by using this tool, testing out the AI's capabilities, but if you decide that you really like it and want to keep using it, don't upgrade to one of their subscriptions. The cheapest way to use this tool is by heading to replicate.com. Once you're here, you can log in by connecting your GitHub account. If you don't have one of those, then you will need to create one. During the login process to Replicate, you'll also need to connect a credit card. Once that's done, you can search for Flux Pro in the search bar and boom, you'll be able to create unlimited images for about 5.5 cents a pop. For more ideas on how to use this new tool, I'd recommend downloading our new ebook. It's filled with our top marketing recommendations for 2024, and it's completely free. Grab your copy while supplies last in the description below. Remember to like the video if you found this helpful and subscribe to our channel for weekly marketing tips and tricks. I'll catch you next week.